Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And in this particular video, we will discuss about indicators. So does indicator really works? Okay. So this is one of the debated question and many say yes and many say no. Well, let me share you my experience and understanding on this topic as of today. Alright, so see, a few years back, someone found out a technique and then it was named and published, example RSI, or I would say moving average, right? So these were their edge and it worked well for them. So basically these were their advantage for them, which nobody were taking. And also these were published to the public, right? That's the reason we are using it today. If not, this would have been a secret within them. And when people started using it, slowly the effectiveness faded away. Okay, because large number of people follow the same thing, manipulation also can be taken. Okay, if everybody are following in one direction, very good, but not everybody will think in the same way, right? Someone will know that okay, there is a volume, people are going to enter here, let me take an advantage here with maybe an opposite something and take a loophole and make advantage. So slowly the effectiveness faded away on these indicators. You would have seen that, okay, a lot of people say that, let's say moving average of 200 will help you in a longer run to know what is the trend. Okay, once it breaks down, we go for a short. Once it breaks up, then we take an entry, fresh entry. Or once it hits the resistance point, then we consider our target towards the average. Or once again it hits a support, then we consider an entry till the average. So there are different explanations to it, and you would have used it. It may work for you, it may not work for you, or maybe you're using an RSI with a setting of 20, 80 or 70 and 30 or 60 and 40. Different people have different settings, but this was found out by someone who was taking advantage. So mathematical calculations have gone for these indicators, and lot number of people are using this, and definitely when lot of people use the same thing, things go wrong. Then the trend of price action came, it worked for them. They named it as head and shoulders, or let's say double top, triple top, whatever the name they have kept it. And they when they published to others, and then when all copied it, again the accuracy faded away. You would have seen that not always price action will work 100%, right? There are times it will fail. That's when you will take your stop losses, because not everybody are having the same mindset. Okay, now we are going to take an entry. No, there are people who is going to manipulate the opposite side and take advantage. So what's the idea here? You can find your own edge like them, how they found out their own indicator, or I would say a loophole, and then take advantage in the market and stay silent. Don't need to tell anyone. You only just take advantage every day, make your money. When things change, you only change your settings and make your own indicator, change your settings, keep upgrading. Don't tell anybody, and there are a lot of traders like that. Or you can share this idea or an indicator to others and it goes public, like how RSI or moving average super trend has been published. You can also publish, okay, this is my strategy, this is where I enter. Either you can create a mathematical indicator on it, or you can explain your chart pattern, what you have created of your own, or your strategy. People will copy it. A large number of people may copy it, may not copy it, depends on them. So you can go public. That is another way of creating your indicator or using an indicator, your edge. If you cannot find your own edge with some research, that's when you copy these publicly available indicators like RSI, Bollinger Band, or anything. Okay, so you will copy them, and whatever people have created, you're going to use it. So remember, there is nothing which works perfect. It's the trend which decides which is good today. Anything can fade away, whether it is your indicators, effectiveness of indicators, or price action, or whichever method you're using. Anything can fade away. Also, anything can come back to trend at a later stage. So today it may not work, tomorrow it may work for you. So never ignore something which doesn't work today. Okay, don't underestimate. So that's my experience. Personally, for me, indicators work until I keep tweaking the settings, okay, to get the loophole in the market. So it's like you're using this Zerodha, whatever is their default. So you either tweak your own stuff. Okay, for let's say you will go with settings of 65, 25 or 35. Getting my point? So you will be tweaking your own numbers, and that's when you will be like, okay, this is where I've got in backtest the edge. I'm going to take this loophole and I'm going to make my indicator. How much ever, let's say it runs for 6 months, 1 year, how much ever money you can, you will do. And slowly it will fade away also when trend changes. You can either tweak your settings or add more parameters, and that's how you make your settings better. If you blindly go over the settings, remember people are using the same setting from years together, and a lot of newbies also will be using the same old settings given by the broker. So things can go wrong, and people take advantage at these areas. When you try to take a buy, they may take a sell and take advantage, the big players. So these are very famous, so be very careful. So the loophole, how to get that loophole is by tweaking these indicators or directly finding an indicator. Let's say at 10 o'clock only you will trade and your calculation, you have some calculation. That is your own indicator which you don't have to tell people. Or you can use the indicator which is available in the public and then tweak it accordingly. So these are two ways how you can do it. So this was my opinion. Let me know what's your experience on indicators in the comments, because few people will have different experiences. And if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button to be part of this learning family. See you soon with one more trading video. Till then, take care, stay safe.